Here's our beginner lesson week 8. We're going to start with the beginner violin lesson. We're in the Essential Elements Book 1, numbers 47 through 53 this week. Ukulele beginner lesson.
In this lesson, you'll learn what a doo-wop progression is and how to play it in the key of C. The doo-wop progression is a 4-chord progression that became popular during the 50s and 60s in the R&B and early rock styles. It's one of the most commonly used chord progressions, and it shows up across genres like folk, country, pop, and jazz. Here's what it sounds like. It's made up of 4 chords, so in C, our chord progression is going to be C, then A minor, and G7. So let's look at the similarities between these chords. We're going to start with C and A minor. And these two chords share the two open strings in the middle. So let's try playing C to A minor 2 times in a row. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3. Back to C. C, 2, 3, 4. And A minor, 2, 3, 4. Next, let's look at A minor and D minor. Here the chords share the 2nd fret on the 4th string and also the open 1st string. Let's try playing A minor to D minor 2 times in a row. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. And D minor, 2, 3. Back to A minor. 3, 4. And D minor, 2, 3, 4. And now let's look at D minor and G7. So here's D minor and G7. They share the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So be sure to keep your 1st finger down as you switch between these two chords. Let's try playing these two chords 2 times in a row. Get set with D minor. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 2, 3, 4. And G7, 2, 3. Repeat. D minor, 2, 3, 4. And G7, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play the whole progression. We're going to be doing 1 strum on each chord with the thumb, and we'll hold each strum for 4 beats. So here's what it'll sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you'd like, you can strum the chord for 2 beats and then use the next 2 beats to start switching to the new chord. Like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play the progression 2 times in a row. Get set with C. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. Then D minor. 2, 3, 4. And G7. 2, 3, 4. Learning how to play the doo-wop progression will help you to learn hundreds.
Let's learn a common lick that uses our bluesy double stop bend. This lick mixes double stop bends with some of the notes from the pentatonic scale. So for our fingers, we've got our 3rd finger barring the 7th fret of the G and B strings, 1st finger barring 5th fret of G and B, and then 3rd finger also taking the 7th fret of the D string. And we're going to move these around. So we're starting with a half note bend, that 3rd finger, then we've got 5th fret G and B, then 7th fret of D, then we're going 7, G and B, 5 on G and B, finishing on D string 7th fret. The way we can count this, starting with 16th notes, 1 E and for the first beat, 1 E and on the bend, and then 2 and 3, 4, and then 1. So it's a little mixture of 16th notes with some quarter notes. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. Also an 8th note in there on the and of 2. 1 and 2 and 3, let's play this together 5 times. I'll count you in. 3, 4. And 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2. Last time. Here we go. 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. Nice job. This is a
Beginner double bass or bass lesson. We're in Essential Elements 1, number 6, Jumping Jacks.
Number 6, Jumping Jacks. First time through pizzicato, second time through arco. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and.
Okay, this is number 7, Mix 'em Up.
Number 7, Mix 'em Up. First time through pizzicato, second time through arco. Ready. Play. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. Rest. 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 Great. Count carefully. First time through pizzicato, second time through arco. Ready. Play. 1, 2. Rest. Rest. 1, 2. Rest. Rest. 1. Rest. 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 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 Rest.
Number 9,
Number 9, Essential Elements Quiz. First time through pizzicato, second time through arco. Ready. Go. D. Rest. A. Rest. A. D. Rest. A. D. Rest. Rest. D. A. D. Rest. 1. Rest. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2. Rest. Rest. 1,